The way you speak, whether to yourself or to others, can shape your future. The words you choose play a big role in giving you the right direction. तो अगर आप एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी चाहते हैं जिससे कि लोग आपको रिस्पेक्ट करें, आपको एडमायर करें और आपसे इंस्पायर हो, then you need to harness this power of words. And the good news is, ये पावर आप ही के हाथ में है. So today I'll share with you just 4 simple steps that you can do to unleash this potential. और इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है पॉइंट नंबर 4. लेकिन उससे पहले 3 और सिंपल चीजें करनी है. So just see what it is right at the beginning. And yes, अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so please do so. So to begin with, point number 1, be mindful of your talk. The way you speak to yourself, your self-talk, does it lift up your morale? Does it boost up your spirits? क्या आप अपने आप से ऐसे कहते हैं कि हाँ मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, I can do it, I believe in myself? या आप अपने आप को ब्रांड कर लेते हैं ये बोल के कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ, ये तो मुश्किल लग रहा है, it's difficult. Now, ये क्या है? Negative self-talk. Now, this type of negative self-talk creates grounds for failure in your mind. Because ये negative self-talk करते क्या है? ये doubts, fear, failure आपके mind में डाल देते हैं. And most likely you will underperform. Neuro-linguistic programming या जिसे हम NLP के नाम से जानते हैं, reveals that repeated use of positive words rewires your brain for optimism and growth. And the way you rewire your brain is what matters today, tomorrow and for the rest of your life. तो कैसे हम अपने ब्रेन को रीवायर करेंगे? Well, this brings us to our next point, daily affirmations. सुबह जब आप उठते हैं, मोबाइल हाथ में लेने से पहले say to yourself, I'm ready to make today amazing. And you know, whenever you use these affirmations, always use the present tense. क्योंकि जब आप ये वर्तमान काल यूज करते हैं ना, your mind believes them to be true. So always say the present tense. I am ready, I am excited, I am energetic, I am capable. And at the night time also, you can just end your day again with some daily affirmation. Maybe you can just thank someone, or you can thank God. I'm blessed to have such a lovely family. I'm blessed to have such supporting friends. Or simple, I am excited for tomorrow. और ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ सुबह और शाम ही आपको ये affirmations बोलने हैं. Throughout the day, जो भी situation में आप है, you can send powerful affirmations to your mind. Now, let's say suppose you have to appear for an interview or you have to give a presentation. Say to yourself, I am prepared, I am ready. Feeling a little low on confidence? Say, I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. Little stressed out? Again say, I can handle it. I'll manage it. I'll find a way. So when you keep on using these daily affirmations, you begin your day on a positive note. And research done on around 40,000 students in UK revealed that your mental health is best in the morning. So obviously, when you begin your day with these daily affirmations, it'll make you focused on your goal. और ऐसा नहीं है कि हमेशा ही हम पॉजिटिव ही सोचें और डेली एफर्मेशंस भी हमारे पॉजिटिव है. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आफ्टर ऑल. तो कभी कभी नेगेटिव थॉट्स भी आ जाते हैं माइंड में, नेगेटिव थिंग्स भी निकल आते हैं हमारे मुंह से. सो हमें क्या करना चाहिए इन सच सिचुएशंस? एंड ऑलवेज बी माइंडफुल. दैट ब्रिंग्स अस टू आवर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, reframe negative talks. What happens when you say, why do bad things always happen to me? ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है ऐसे? It just creates stress and helplessness. But instead, if you say that, yes, I can handle it, you shift your focus from stress to growth. Or instead of saying, this is impossible, ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Stop, reframe your talks and you can say, हाँ अभी थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है, but I'll learn how to do it. Then again, you shift your track from the problem mode to the solution mode. Why? Because you've redirected your thoughts from obstacles, problems to solutions and possibilities. And the same thing applies even to professional settings. अगर आप किसी को भी बोल देंगे कि कितने मिस्टेक्स किए आपने रिपोर्ट में, what will be the effect? You will lower the morale and confidence of the person. He may not be in a position to give you any reply, but inside he is in an aggressive mode. उसे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है and maybe he is revolting against you from inside. आप खुद सोच सकते हैं what will be his productivity then? Again, but if you reframe and simply say, yes, I can see some areas for improvement, let's review it together. Or instead of just saying, I want this work done just now, stop, reframe. You could say, let's prioritize this work for today and let's make it number one. जब आप इस तरीके से बोलते हैं, then you project yourself as a leader and people will respect you. लेकिन हमेशा ऐसे ही नहीं होता है कि in spite of reframing, you feel that things are not going as planned out. Again, reframe your thinking, reframe your thoughts, and remember that there is nothing such as losing or failing. They are just opportunities for growth, opportunities for learning, and you get new experiences. And this rewiring, rebooting, redirecting, rethinking is not an overnight change. It is a process. And this brings us to the most important point which I had said, and that is set targets. And why is setting of targets so very important? Like I had said, ये सबसे important काम है, क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि हमको लगता है कि आज तो डेली एफर्मेशन कर लिया, now my brain is rewired and I have got a positive mindset. This is a change, and change takes time. Like I already mentioned, you have to form a habit now, and it takes minimum 21 days to form a habit. So आपको करना क्या है? For the next 21 days, set a target. Just begin by saying that I will begin my day with a daily affirmation. Same, get up in the morning, any daily affirmation you can say for yourself. If you can do this one thing only for the next 21 days, it will definitely make a difference. अगर आप पूरे दिन भी अगर आपको याद रहा कि हमें ये daily affirmations बोलने हैं, nothing better than that, that will do wonders. Now the next important part, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. At night time, before retiring for the day, now you have to keep a tab. Day 1 था, so day 1 down. याद करिए आपने daily affirmation use किया, well and good. If not, no problem. Day 1 तो हो गया. Now next day, again day 2 gone, 19 left, 18 left. This way now when you keep on keeping a tab, you are sending a message to your brain that I am on my way to progress. 21 days target over. Again set a target for 21 days. Now this daily practice will soon make all these affirmations a part of your daily language. And remember, mastering the power of words can transform your entire personal as well as professional life, because it will boost up your confidence, your self-esteem, and leave a lasting impression. The words you speak are like the seeds you sow. So plant your words wisely and see your personality blossom. And very soon we shall be beginning with our workshops on public speaking and personality development, which will be full of power-packed sessions. So stay tuned for the latest updates. And if you have liked this video, then maybe you can just give a thumbs up, or you can leave a comment in the comment section, and of course you can share it with the others. So till we meet again with another interesting topic, goodbye.